soldiering on here. Simplify. Okay, what do I see? I see a 16, which is 2 to the power of 4, right? 16, come on. 16 is 2 to the power of 4. Okay, so I should be able to combine this with this somehow. So let's do that. So you have 16 to the negative n plus a half all over 2 to the n, which is 2 to the power of 4 negative n plus a half over 2 to the power of n. Uh, 2 to the negative 4n plus 2 in the n. So this is 1 over 2. I'm adding on the bottom 5n plus 2. Okay, so I get that. So everything else stays the same. 1.3.5 up to 2n minus 3 all over 2 to the 5n plus 2. And again, this is only good for n bigger than 2 or equal to 2. What have we done wrong? Oh, it should be a minus 2, not a plus 2. Right here. I got a mistake right here. It should be a minus 2, not a plus 2. Oh, that's not good. There we go. Minus 2. Okay. Okay, so again, only works for n bigger than 1. So that means I have to do the other ones separately, which is root 16, which is 4 f of 1 of 16 is 1 half. What was it? 16 to the negative half, which is 1 over 8. So this is what I found here. Now, what am I looking for? I'm looking for this power series, Cn x minus a, right? But a, in our case, is 16. And we're going from 0 to infinity, as usual. Now, for n equals 0 and n equals 1, I have to do something a little bit different. So I will write those terms out separately. And then the remainder of this power series can be written using the formula. So what is Cn? Well, what you do is you take this guy up here and you divide it by n factorial. Okay, this is my formula. So Cn equals this thing. So I'm going to put an n factorial just right there. Not sure if I mentioned it. 0 factorial is 1 by convention. And 1 factorial is also 1. Okay, so now I'm ready to write down my series. C0 is just the 4. It would be 4 over 0 factorial, but that's just 4. Then C1 is the 1 over 8 divided by 1 factorial, so just 1 over 8. Plus my big honking series, which starts at 2 infinity. My Cn is what I'm going to circle in red right now. This guy. I'm going to copy that down here. One times 3 times 5, 2n minus 3 divided by 2 to the 5n minus 2 and factorial, and then it's x minus 16. All right. Okay, so this is my Maclaurin series. What is the, let's double check. Yeah, good. Okay, radius of convergence, I'm going to leave mostly up to you. I'll get you started. Okay, ratio test. This is worth your while to do this calculation. You take this to be your AN. So you do absolute value. And let's see, I want you to fill in the blanks here and try this on your own. I'll give you what you should be arriving at, which is okay, I think that's what you're looking to get. So filling in the blanks here is an exercise. Not an easy one, but I think you should try it. Maybe in class on Monday I could look at it. Let me just double check I got the answer right here before I close the video. Okay, good.